flexing geese bankroll. I get bread, you can't even get a bread roll. I see by myself.
What is up, guys? Shams here with another video, and I cannot stress this enough, bro. The giveaway is, well, the winners are gonna get announced this Monday or this Tuesday coming, literally. So if you haven't already, drop a sub and drop a comment, not on this video but the other video, saying done, and like the video and comment and subscribe. That's all you gotta do to be in the giveaway. And I'm gonna be doing a YouTube live stream. Hopefully it doesn't mess up, but if not, then I'll just record the video and just post it. But yeah, anyway, back to the video. Today we're gonna be fixing my car's split personality. I say split personality because one ring mirror is silver and the other one is just plain plastic. Let me show you. Basically, here, that's silver. Right here, this is black greyish. It's ugly, it doesn't match. It only matches the black accents, but I was gonna wrap that gloss black. But so we're gonna be turning it basically the same. Let me get a thumbnail quick. Yeah, done. Basically the same, but yeah, gloss is all fixed. Also, if anybody got a spare hood, let me know, because I need to get this replaced, or I'm gonna wrap this black or gloss black. Because if you have a black hood already, just let me know, and then I can probably buy it off you or something. But this little dent shit needs to go. So yeah. Anyway, back in the base we are. Okay, cool. So I opened the box already because the hands are dry. I opened it already because I wanted to make sure that it was undamaged and it was how it was sent. Obviously, it's not a brand new one; it's used, because Renault don't make brand new parts any fucking more. But yeah, offside, front, it's okay condition. It's alright. There's a bit of bug splatter because of the bugs and whatever. But yeah, I'm not too fussed. But I'm gonna get these wrapped anyway or whatever. So yeah, by looking at it, it should be 1, 2, 3. It should be 3 screws, and then it should come off. So yeah, basically we're gonna give this a go. So I'm guessing this part comes off, and then shit. Okay, so basically I forgot my my tools. I'll normally drive around with tools in the back, but I had to take it out for some reason, so I might pick up the video a day later or whatever. You're gonna get a video this weekend for sure. But yeah, I have to make a few phone calls quick. Okay, the weather is fucked. The weather is fucked. I'm gonna try to do this, see how it's gonna go. But first step, you go open your door. You're gonna take this cover off here. That will show you. That's gonna show you as this bolt here, this bolt, and it should undo. And you got like a little thing up in there. So basically, you want to unplug this, and then it's easier to unplug it when it's off, but yeah, it should be a 10 mil, so we're just gonna get a 10 mil. It's terrible. I lied still. It's an 8 mil socket, and you just get like a little ratchet, and you should be able to undo it. So this has been done recently because it's quite shit. Fuck. Ow. What's the out? You're gonna want to hold this, and it should. In there, you're gonna want to undo it, and then you put the new one in, do the reverse, and boom, should be done. Do the same thing again. So you take out the new ring roller. So should be the same match color, same match. So yeah, you just clip it in, and then screw it back in, and you should be good. Okay, no, okay, cool. So you screw them back in, plug the shit in. You should be able to, yeah, it does work. You plug this mother sucker back in like this. So you make sure that the mirror is working. Can you see? So it's working now, yeah. So that should have fixed my so much better. Fixed personality. So thanks for tuning in. I hope I've helped in some way. That's all for me for today. My car's personality has been fixed now. It looks so much more better. Glad how it turned out. So please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.